Hi guys, so it is Saturday. I met with my tattoo artist because I'm gonna do a new tattoo. I was editing an IGTV video, and now I'm going to head down to my friend Alma's house, and we're gonna hang out with her new puppy. His name is Dom, and he is so cute. So get ready, because you're gonna have cuteness attack. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. Because I'm like kind of bummy and comfy, but like have my hair and makeup done so it looks cute. So this jacket is from Lola Boutique, and that has like lining in it. So this is like perfect. I honestly wish they had it in more colors because I don't know, I like love it. And then I'm just wearing my like standard black turtleneck, and then I'm wearing sweats and Vans, and it's a vibe. After that, it was off to my friend Gabby's for her birthday party. We went to UCLA and lived in the dorms together, and she was my best friend in college. She's actually a doctor now, which still trips me out and makes me so proud. I love to embarrass her every time we're out. Like, she is a doctor, y'all. She's a real life doctor. Anyways, she's a really awesome person, and I'm really thankful to have her in my life. At UCLA, when I couldn't make it back to the Bay Area for holidays, she would take me back to her house, and I would spend the holidays with her and her family. So hanging out with her is always just a good time and makes me feel like home. What's up, guys? So I literally did nothing all day. It is about 6 p.m. right now on Sunday night. It feels so much later because it's so dark. Yeah, I literally just like watched Netflix and napped today, which was pretty nice. I'm actually about to get a tattoo right now. I'm going to finish the one that's on the inside of my forearm. I actually decided that I wanted something different than I originally got, but my original tattoo wasn't finished anyways, so we're actually just gonna do a cover-up. So yeah, I'm dreading it. Honestly, like, I hate getting tattooed. It hurts so bad for me. So, wish me luck.
Power, like, changing, like...
What's up, guys? So I'm taking the pups right now to get their nails trimmed. Their nails are so tiny, and they hate getting their nails cut, so I just don't even like to like try and do it myself. Yeah, so I did not finish my tattoo the other night. The artist, he's actually my friend Derek. He's been on the vlog a couple times before, but he was like, oh yeah, we're gonna finish the tattoo for sure, and like I could not. I think I sat through 3.5 hours, which honestly is like, I thought was a long time, but it hurt so bad. So yeah, I couldn't hang. So that means we'll have to wait a couple weeks to finish it, which kind of sucks, but dude, I was done, son. I have been dealing with so much behind the scenes. And I wish I could talk to you guys about it, but I can't. But I'm good over here. Yeah, it's just been like crazy. I bought those little eyebrow razors from Amazon. You guys know what I'm talking about? The little ones. Anyways. This is like gross, but I don't give a fuck. I like shaved my whole face with it, like all my peach fuzz off, and I feel like my skin looks so like smooth and baby-like. So I'm like, I guess I'm just gonna have to like shave my face all the time. I don't know. You guys okay?
Let's go.
Are you guys photogenic? Yeah. Sit. Good.
We're getting there, baby. We're getting there. They're just so excited.
So, I don't know what the I just made, but it looks disgusting, and I don't know what I'm doing because I put an egg in there. There's some mushroom, noodles, cabbage, shrimp, bok choy, bean sprouts. I mean, you know, and people wonder why I'm single. I mean, look at this masterpiece. Okay, I'm done. So I am about to do a ton of unboxing right now. This is definitely gonna take me probably, I don't know, at least a few hours. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this, and then I'm gonna do some giveaways because obviously there's enough to go around, and I love doing giveaways. Oh, I swear she waits until I'm filming. You need to go potty. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna be doing some giveaways, and I got some laundry to do, and then I need to get a video up.
Come here, Riley. Oh, you so cute. Are you mommy's good girl?
I feel like I look at my mom with this turtleneck on and this hair.
I've been living in turtlenecks. I said another day, another turtleneck. You know.
I know. Okay, so now that we're here, what is your trick for no makeup on your turtlenecks? I get this question all the time, especially with white turtlenecks. What do you do?
I don't have a trick. I just live with it. Finishing powder probably helps.
I don't know. For me, you gotta put the turtleneck on first, not after. And then if you're like a messy worker like me, I always will like put napkins in between, dig them in there, get ready, and then remove them when I'm done. To avoid this from getting on there. It's helpful.
I'm like, don't be like me. My shit is orange. I'm like, what's up, guys? It is Saturday at like 1. My house is a mess because I never got through unboxing, and I still have like laundry all over the table. So I need to eat something, and then I need to tackle this. I can't chill, or it's like mentally taking up space in my mind that my house is dirty. Like, this is stressful. Look at, there's toilet paper all over the ground because someone got into the waste bin. Was that you? It is 6:30. I don't know how I got through that unboxing, to be honest with you, because like after I started, my head started hurting so bad. Watch, she's gonna ring the bell. Yeah, I got through my unboxing. I'm just folding laundry right now, and then I ordered some food, and I'm just gonna like watch a movie. Why do you have to wait till I'm talking to the camera? Yeah, and I just want to chill and take it easy tonight because tomorrow I'm gonna go to the gym, and I kind of want like a fresh start tomorrow to like just get back in my routine. I'm feeling really motivated right now, so I need to like run with it. And yeah, I want to just go to the gym, edit, upload a video. I want to start uploading a lot more. Just dedicate, like fully focus on YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna take this little one out, and then I'll check in with you guys later.